What?
I was brave.
Because you're brave.
Today
See?
Mama was calling me.
Yeah, because I was missing you.
I was in the DR side.
Actually, we called you. Because I lost watch. It was in the toys.
Last mama gave
How's
it to
it?
Hannah and Hannah put it in the toy basket.
With the bread, it would have tasted nice, no? Baba, do you know what? Wait, I'll show you. Your name is there in the glass stacking competition. You are already shortlisted. He's first in his greenhouse. Baby, listen. We have decided 3-step rule.
Yeah.
You know 3-step rule?
For the happy home?
Yeah.
Meaning?
For happy home, we have decided
Yeah.
one is remove, like how you are removing now. Second, use just the way how you are using it right now. The third rule is keep it back in place from where you removed the things.
Yeah.
Are you agreeing with us? As we was discussing 3-step rule,
Chai became
Chai got now 3-step rules. One is remove, clean, and
and then
wash the cloth. Why behind me? What is blah blah? Why? Leave it. Leave this. Go to see Dada what's cooking. Whoa, ready baby? So fast. And what's the sandwich about?
Mama, day after tomorrow on 21st. Mama, on 21st. On 21st.
Thank you baby so much. Thank you. Let's eat. What do you want to eat? Yummy. Fresh vegetable. How is it? Good? When you're hungry and your husband gives you the sandwich? Yummy.
Have you enjoyed?
Yeah. Aha. Hannah is wearing a new dress जो कि हम लोगों ने लाया था जब when she was like 1 year old birthday. Yeah, 1 year old birthday के टाइम पर हम लोगों ने ये ड्रेस लाया था लेकिन उस दिन
No, we didn't put this dress.
No, we never.
We put this.
Yeah, we put different because that birthday. So Hannah's birthday we bought this dress. ये actually में बहुत बड़ा है लेकिन मैंने birthday के एक रात पहले बैठकर I was like I had done alteration for this. This is why it is looking short. but अभी ये बराबर से फिट कर रहा है. उस दिन नहीं फिट हुआ था इसलिए हम लोगों ने दूसरा वाला ड्रेस यूज किया था उसके लिए. Tell me what? You are looking beautiful. You're looking beautiful. तो कल रात के बाद मैं कंटिन्यू नहीं करने वाली थी उस ब्लॉग को बिकॉज कल रात हुआ ये कि बहुत सारी चीजें हुई जैसे कि हेतम फेल डाउन. फिर घर पर आने के बाद यहाँ पर हैना की बोतल फूट गई जो कांच वाली थी. तो वी वाज जस्ट लाइक थोड़ा सा ब्रेन ना डिस्टर्ब हो गया था. मैं ब्लॉग इसलिए कर रही हूँ मैं बताती हूँ. हैना को पहले नीचे उतारती हूँ नहीं तो लाइक आई विल ट्राई टू डू समथिंग एंड हो जाएगा कुछ और. मैंने ना अमेजिंग सा चिकन बनाया है एंड इट इज लुकिंग really and tasting also amazing. Try to grind masalas by myself और मैंने try to cook it in a very different way. पहले तो मैंने मसालास को फ्राई किया उसके बाद उसको ग्राइंड किया and it is really tasting so yummy. तो मैंने सोचा कि दिखाते हैं. So excited because I'm wearing my not new actually 3 साल पुराना ड्रेस but finally मैंने पहन लिया. थोड़ा सा लूज था like and you have to see Hannah also. This is something which I am wearing after a long time and that too in the house. Hannah is very excited. First time Hannah is seeing me like this with this dress.
And after Mama wearing this dress, Hannah said, "Wow."
I have to make my hair. Come in the kitchen. I will show you guys what Hetam have done. And these are the 2 oranges which he removed for juice. I told him to remove.
Arey Mama, these 2 small oranges become a big one orange. Become one
So
big
these
orange.
are the oranges which actually I had told him to remove, but what he did.
I removed the smallest one.
एक्चुअली हमारे फ्रिज में कुछ भी नहीं है. फ्रिज खत्म हो गया मतलब चीजें खत्म हो गई है. वी नीड टू बाय लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. मे बी आज या कल हम लोग ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग के लिए जाएंगे. दैट टू फर्स्ट टाइम आफ्टर कमिंग दिस हाउस.
So guys, we're now going to make oranges.
By the way, Hetam is having a what do you say exam today at 12.
11:50.
But 12:15 is the music class I guess.
Guys, I'm on my way to my class. It's my Zoom. So I actually at 12:15 I had my class, but actually I forgot that my class was.
And what you were doing, by the way? Why you forgot? Why you got late?
Scratch.
You was coding one of the game. And here, this girl, and I'm giving her activities she don't want to do. Come on, I'll give you some activities. Come on.
Yeah.
Yesterday she did a pouring activity and sorting activity. So today we are going to do some other activities. Yes, Hannah? Are you ready? Come, I'm going to do with her this activity where she have to take pastas and put it in this bottle. Ow! Come, sit.
Yeah.
Very good. Good job. Keep your legs proper. Hold your feet. Hold your legs. Hold your legs. Yeah, now do. Very good. Uh-oh. It's around 6:30 now और जाने वाले थे एक्चुअली ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग के लिए, लेकिन वी हैव चेंज द प्लान और हम लोग जा रहे हैं.
First we are going to the fish shop and then we are going to Pizza Hut. Like nice?
Daddy cleaned the car and came home.
I want to see how the car looks.
Car definitely will look clean. We cannot.
So guys, after 1 hour we came to Pizza Hut, but we didn't buy any pizza.
We have ordered the pizza. Pizza is not yet come.
There is an offer on the water.
What I say?
Yeah, water and the soft drink. Buy one soft drink,
Ah.
then pay for the second soft drink also.
So basically this is going to be our new experience where we are eating pizza right in front of the bank. So guys, हम लोग घर पहुंच गए हैं. एक्चुअली गए थे हम लोग सिर्फ फिश लाने के लिए. बेसिकली सोचा कि वहाँ पर जा ही रहे हैं तो पिज़्ज़ा खा के आते हैं, और पिज़्ज़ा खाने के लिए लेकिन पिज़्ज़ा लेने के बाद फिर सोचा कि पिज़्ज़ा हट में बैठ के नहीं खाते हैं, बाहर ही खाते हैं. तो वी टुक इट इन द कार एंड वेंट टू अ प्लेस वेयर इट इज अ बैंक. हम लोगों को बैंक में भी काम था तो वी वेंट टू द बैंक, और बाहर रह के मतलब कार में बैठ के वी वर लाइक ईटिंग एंड एंजॉयिंग आवर पिज़्ज़ा. एक अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस होता है जब आप इस तरह से करते हैं. तो वी वर एंजॉयिंग आवर पिज़्ज़ा outside. It's basically in the parking lot. So we were enjoying in a different way. All are having bath now और अभी बज रहे हैं around 10 o'clock. I'll see you tomorrow. तो इवनिंग के बज रहे हैं 7 o'clock. वॉच नहीं चल रही है और मैं वॉश कर रही हूँ कपड़े. नीचे गए थे हम लोग एज ऑलवेज. इवनिंग्स में बहुत बार हम लोग बाहर ही जाते हैं, तो वी हैड गॉन आउट. अभी पहुँच गए हैं. तो एनीवेज मैंने ब्लॉग को एंड ही नहीं किया था, तो सोचा कि ब्लॉग को एंड करते हैं. तो इस ब्लॉग को यहीं पे एंड करते हैं. मैं आप लोगों से मिलती हूँ अगले वाले ब्लॉग के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड
Bye bye. Bye.
Hetam's wound is getting healed. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.